Hello, today I'd like to show you our hot sale item, artificial Delphinium. This flower has unique flower shape. It looks much like a swallow. Floating gently in the air with wind is very lovely. Also, the color is more rich. Some quietly, gently, some gorgeous, and some fresh and beautiful. For this item has two flowers branches. For material, the petals and leaves are made of polyester, and the flower stem is made of PE with iron wire inside. And the total height is 84 cm and weight is 39 grams. For packing, this item is 12 pieces per box and 288 pieces carton. And this flowers is blossom in summer season. And the flower's language is clarity, justice, lightness, and freedom. So for this item, it's very popular. Do you like it?